Hey YouTube, Artemis here. This just ain't working. There we go. I suppose this is better. Fix my hair. Anyway. So, I just got done watching Random Witch's Grumpy Witch video. Hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. But anyway, to kind of a serious note, I have been having these dreams here lately, and I don't normally remember my dreams, so me just remembering my dream is like kind of weird to me. So anyway, the dream is I see an Indian, and I can't tell if it's male or female, and a wolf. Now, I've been sick. I'm like, this is just fever-induced, dreaming. Your subconscious is playing tricks on you. You just got a wolf dog. You need rest. But that's the thing. When I'm sleeping, I'm not getting rest because this dream keeps... It's like it's sucking the energy out of me. And I'm not getting rest. And it's like a recurring dream. So I kind of ruled out the fever thing since, I know now that I don't have fever. But, it goes from seeing the wolf and the Indian to me running with the wolf. The Indian I don't see anymore. So I don't know if, like, maybe I became the Indian and I'm running with the wolf as the Indian, or I'm just myself. But this has been going on, and I'm in a forest, running through the trees and everything. And, then, that was like the first night. And then last night, I think it was last night. It was either last night or the night before. I was running and I slipped. I landed on my shoulder on a rock. Well, when I woke up, my shoulder was hurting. And I'm like, what is going on with this? And my husband dabbles a little bit with, like, shamanism and stuff. And he's like, hey, I got some books at the house you might really want to pick up and just read. And I was like, okay. So I'm reading his Accidental Shaman book. And I haven't really found anything in there yet. But, he's thinking, oh, it may be, your spirit guide. You're finally fixing to realize what your spirit guide is. I also mentioned this kind of on my Facebook as well, and I had some people comment about interpretations of the dream and stuff. And, their interpretations were, being attacked by the wolf, or being chased by the wolf, or becoming the wolf. Well, that's none of what I'm doing. I feel like I'm running with the wolf. So, if anybody has any type of information or any ideas of what could be going on, she who walks between worlds, I know you, girl. I know you know how to interpret this. But anyway, it's driving me crazy. I'm trying to embrace it, but with being sick and lack of sleep and getting up with, like, phantom pains that shouldn't be there, it's like, really? And I was just, if it is my subconscious just kind of playing tricks, it's like, please just stop. I need sleep. I need sleep. So, anyway, everybody, blessed be. Hit that subscribe button. I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful night. I'm going to get off here and go find me some food and read some more on this book. And see if I can find anything else out. I tried to do a little research earlier and it was just I couldn't find anything that was dealing with the running with a wolf. Now, if I wanted to be devoured by a wolf or something like that, they had plenty on that. But I'm really not interested into being eaten by a wolf. But anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Blessed be.